Once you've processed your food and you've let it sit undisturbed for 12 to 24 hours, it's time to check your seals. The first thing that you're going to want to do is to remove the ring. And then you can press the flat with your finger. There should not be any up and down motion here, unlike this unsealed one that pops up and down. Secondly, you can look at your flat at eye level and it should be dipping down in the middle. Another kind of interesting way to check your seal is with a spoon. A sealed lid will have a higher pitched ring than an unsealed. Sealed, unsealed. Now that takes a little practice, but then something else I like to do is to just apply a little pressure around the edges of my flat, and if it does not come up, if it does not move, then I have a good seal. Now, disclaimer here, just because the lid has sealed does not mean that your product is safe. If you did not use a tested recipe, if you did not follow directions for processing time and pressure, then all you have done is sealed an unsafe product in your jar. So always be sure that you're using tested recipes and following directions exactly. If you have any questions about food preservation, whether your product is safe or not, please give us a call at your local Cooperative Extension office. My name is Kathy Love with the University of Arkansas System Division of Agriculture Cooperative Extension. We hope you have a happy and healthy canning season.